Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to PMDC online lecture room. Today we will discuss the topic lysosome from chapter 1, cell structure and function of first year. First of all, objective of lysosome. The objective of lysosome is to understand structure and functions. Okay, let me tell you something about discovery 2. There is a picture of Didiou in front of you. Didiou, a Belgian biologist who discovered lysosome. Know the meaning of lysosome. The word lysosome is made up of two words, lyso and soma. Lyso means splitting or breakdown. Soma means body. Other name of lysosome which is also known as suicide bags or the suicide sacs. Lysosome are the organelle that contain digestive enzymes and the organelle involved in the digestion and waste removal. What will be the definition of lysosome? An organelle in the cytoplasm of the eukaryotic cell containing degradative enzymes or hydrolytic enzyme enclosed in a membrane. What is degradative enzyme? Degradative enzyme means an enzyme which degrades biological molecule. Lipase is an enzyme which digests lipid. Protease is also an enzyme which digests protein, etc. You can also see the diagram of lysosome. Structure of lysosome. Actually, lysosomes are like floating garbage that contain enzymes capable of digesting molecules. What is the structure? Lysosomes are surrounded by single membrane. Remember that it is a single membrane bounded organelle, not a double membrane bounded organelle. So it contains a wide variety of hydrolytic enzymes like nucleases, proteases, lipases, etc. What are the function of these enzymes? Nucleases which digest nucleic acid, proteases which digest proteins, lipases which digest lipids. As you can see the diagram, this is the structure of the cell, and in the cell lysosomes are present, which is the single wall membrane, and in the lysosome enzymes are present. Next one is the formation of lysosome. How lysosomes are formed? As we know that inside the lysosome enzymes are present. So the enzymes are synthesized on rough endoplasmic reticulum and further processed in Golgi apparatus. Lysosomes are formed by budding off of the Golgi apparatus. You can clearly see in the diagram too. This is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and in the rough endoplasmic reticulum enzymes are synthesized. Now these enzymes are transported to Golgi apparatus by transport vesicle. Clear? These enzymes are transported to Golgi apparatus by transport vesicles. Now the lysosome arises from the Golgi apparatus. Next, types of lysosome. How many types of lysosome? There are two main types of lysosomes. Primary lysosome and the second one is secondary lysosome. What is primary lysosome? Primary lysosome are formed from Golgi apparatus appearing as small vesicles, and these lysosome contain hydrolytic enzyme. You can see Golgi apparatus and the primary lysosome are budded off from the Golgi apparatus. Second one is secondary lysosome. Secondary lysosome are formed when primary lysosome fuse with phagosome or the pinosome. What is phagosome? Particle containing vesicle called phagosome. What is pinosome? Vesicle filled with extracellular fluid is known as pinosome. When this lysosome will fuse with phagosome, then they will be formed secondary lysosome. Next one, the function of lysosome. First function is autophagy, it is self-eating. Lysosomes are also involved in the process referred to as autophagy. This process helps in the degradation of various cell components that are either worn out or malfunctioning. Worn out means valueless or useless, or malfunctioning fail to function normally. In this way, materials of cell may be recycled and cell may be renewed. As you can see the diagram, as we know that cells produce waste like all living things, the lysosomes are the garbage disposal of the cell. When a part of cell becomes damaged, in this case worn out organelle, mitochondria are shown. This is a part of the cell. When the part of cell will become damaged, it is moved to outer edge of the lysosome. Now lysosome fuse with the worn out organelle. Green portion shows the lysosome which contain digestive enzyme. Now lysosome fuse with worn out organelle. The membrane of lysosome open and molecule is moved into the lysosome. Once inside, the digestive enzyme produced by lysosome break down the molecules. Now organelle will become broken down. After it has been completely broken down, the lysosome open to release the remains back into the cell. Now small molecules return to cytosol, as a result of which waste material or waste molecule expelled from the cell while usable molecule recycled to make new organelle. Clear? Next one is phagocytosis. The hydrolytic enzymes contained within the lysosome allow foreign particles to be destroyed. Lysosomes play an important role in phagocytosis. Okay, here is a diagram in front of you. Two diagrams in front of you. In first case, the food particles are shown. In the second case, bacterium are shown. For example, the white blood cells called phagocytes ingest bacteria in order to break it down and destroy it. You can see the bacteria, phagocyte cell will ingest the bacteria. Now the vesicles are formed around the bacteria. Lysosome will come and break down, fuse with these vesicles, and lysosome then break down the bacteria, as a result of which waste particles will expel out from the cell. Same the case with the food particle. Next one is developmental process. Lysosome can be used to kill when they are supposed to destroy. Tadpole tail gets reabsorbed when it turns into frog. They are found to be associated with some of developmental process such as degeneration of tail of tadpole, which is unnecessary for an adult frog. Malfunctioning of lysosome. Malfunctioning means fail to function normally. Accumulation of substances. What is accumulation? Accumulation means gathering of something like glycogen and lipids within the cell causes many congenital diseases. These diseases are caused by mutation in catabolic activities of lysosomal enzyme. And these diseases are glycogenesis type 2. This disease is caused by accumulation of glycogen in liver and muscle cells. In this disease, an enzyme that converts glycogen to glucose is absent. Second one is Tay-Sachs disease. Tay-Sachs disease, in which absence of enzyme which help in catabolism of lipids, leads towards disease called Tay-Sachs disease. Or this disease occurs when harmful qualities of lipids accumulates in the brain's nerve cell, eventually leading to premature death of the cell. So now let's watch the video. Through this video, you will be able to know the formation of lysosome and how lysosome work. Let's start.
Lysosomes are membrane-bound vesicles that contain hydrolytic enzymes. The hydrolytic enzymes degrade proteins, nucleic acids, lipids, and carbohydrates, and are formed in the endoplasmic reticulum. These enzymes are then transported to the Golgi apparatus by transport vesicles. The lysosomes arise from the Golgi apparatus. When particles such as viruses or bacteria are ingested by phagocytosis, the lysosome fuses with the particle-containing vesicle, called a phagosome, and delivers the hydrolytic enzymes. Lysosomes also fuse with organelles such as old mitochondria. This results in the destruction and recycling of these structures.
Hope you will understand this topic. Last but not the least, there is a quiz. Phagocyte cells. What is phagocyte cell? A type of cell within the body capable of engulfing and absorbing like bacteria, small cells, or other particles. So phagocyte cells play an important role in the prey of foreign objects into the body, so that the most organelle within the cell, that is Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, lysosome, or ribosomes. What will be the answer of this quiz? You can drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you.